To make your own custom ringtone on your iPhone for free, I'm going to use GarageBand. Just going to swipe down from the top here, search for GarageBand. Mine's right here. It's a free Apple app. If you don't see it here, you can just go to the App Store, search for GarageBand, and install it. And then when you open it, it's a sideways-only app on iPhone. You should come to a page that looks something like this, where it has recent songs. You probably have nothing here. We want to tap on this plus up here. And there's so many options for what to do. But to make this a ringtone, you have to be very specific in how you... There's only one way you can do it as far as I know. But you can add all kinds of instruments, all kinds of sounds. There's all kinds of loops. Apple has tons of loops you can download. They're all free as well. It's super cool. To make the ringtone, we want to choose audio recorder. And then once we have that, we want to tap on this little plus on the right-hand side. We want to tap section A, 8 bars, change this to automatic, which means we can go for as many bars as we want. And then we want to tap on this little grid icon here. And for this video, we're going to delete the microphone because I don't want to record my own voice, but you can record your own voice if you want to do that. You can just tap record. The metronome counts down. You can say whatever you want. Dum-de-dum-dum-dum-dum. Tap on record again to stop it, and then go back to this little grid icon here. We can see the waveform there. Tap on play. Counts down. You can say whatever you want. And you can have that as your ringtone if you want. Tap this blue icon to get rid of the clicking, the metronome, which is super annoying. So in your recording, it won't be that click in the recording. But we don't want to use, or I don't want to use that as my ringtone or my sound. So I'm going to delete this. I'm going to tap on the mic over here. Tap delete. Then I'm going to tap, I'm going to scroll over to get the keyboard. If you went directly to keyboard earlier instead of through voice recorder, this would not work. It would not let you save it as a ringtone. It's beyond me why it doesn't work, but it doesn't. So it's a very specific way you have to do this, which is the way I'm showing you. Tap on this little red icon here to get the actual keyboard. And then we're going to record our sound here. Tap on record when you're ready. When you're happy with the recording, tap on the top on the stop button. If you tap this back arrow, you can redo the recording. If you tap record, after you've recorded something, you can extend your recording. There's a lot of different options. We're going to go back to this grid so we can see our beautiful song waveform there. And if you want to add more to this, you can tap the plus icon, add more tracks. You can compose a whole song in GarageBand if you want to. I just want to have this simple tune as my ringtone. Tap on this down arrow here when you're done, and it's going to save it right here. I'm going to rename this to Next Episode. That tune is from a Dr. Dre song called Next Episode. Just going to name it that. And now we can tap and hold on this again, and then tap Share. We can save it as a ringtone. Additionally, if you layered a whole bunch of tracks and it's super awesome, you can save this as a song to send to your friends. I'm just going to tap Ringtone for mine. It's going to take the name that we give the file. You can also name it something else here if you want. And you tap on Export. And now, ringtone export successful. Sweet. You can also tap on Use Sound As, Standard Ringtone, Text Tone, or you can assign to a contact as well. So I'm going to use this as Standard Ringtone. And now if we go into our Settings app, and we go all the way back out to the front, we go to Sounds and Haptics, we go to Ringtone, we see it's already set as Next Episode as our ringtone. And that's pretty sweet. You can set this, as you saw a second ago, as a contacts ringtone if you want. To do that, you can do that in the app that we just saw. Or if this is months later and you have a whole set of ringtones, you want to sound them to different people, you can do that through the phone app or your contacts app. Just find the contacts app inside the phone or the contacts app. Search for the contact you want to set the ringtone for. I'm just going to do this on my own contact entry. And you tap on Edit when you find the contact. Scroll down, and you'll see Ringtone here. Choose that. And we have our Next Episode ringtone right there. But we're not done yet. This video shows you how to use popular songs as your ringtones. Here's an example. The process is very different than what I just showed you because this is a different type of song. And so if you want to learn how to do that for your ringtones, check out this video. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on that one.